how to export and download all Snapchat memories to computer. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Snapchat app, then head over to the profile icon at the top left, and then go to the gear icon at the top right. Now scroll down and then search for My Data, tap on it. Now this will open up and toggle on Export Your Memories. So once you've done that, scroll down and then hit Next. Now choose the time range. So you can choose yesterday, last week, last month, and if you want all your Snapchat memories, then tap on All Time. And just confirm your email address at the bottom and hit submit at the bottom right. And that's it. Now you need to open this email on your laptop and then just download your memories from there. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.